There's the man himself, Jimmy Buffett. Welcome to the channel and to the hotel that we're reviewing today, which is the Margaritaville Island Inn in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Let's check it out. All right, so something to note about the Margaritaville Island Inn is that the parking in the main lot is very limited, and so what they have is this other lot that is much more spacious. So they just give you a code that you can punch in to get in. There's a little arm that raises that lets you in, and then it just raises once again whenever you're leaving. Just does it automatically. So handy dandy. There's laundry down there. We're not going that far. 211 is our home. Isn't that cute? Yeah, super cute. Woody. So you want to check out the bathroom first?
Ooh.
Okay.
Very nice. I like the colors.
That's pretty cool. Yeah. We have a nice big shower.
Cool. I've never stayed in a hotel that haven't had this kind of a theme.
Yeah, everything's sleek and clean. They do have shampoo and conditioner, shower gel, and lotion, as well as bar soap. So that's pretty cool. Also makeup remover wipes, and nice fresh towelette. Looks like about 3 washcloths, a couple of hand towels up there, 3 of the full-size towels, and another one over here, complete with another bar of soap. Some shelving, which does pull out, so that's pretty cool. Nice lighted mirror. Looks like the door slides and locks.
Oh, does it have a blow dryer? I brought mine with me, but I did wonder if there'd be one in here.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
There's some hooks over here that you can hang garments. Same right there on that paddle. Okay, so what's it like here? Very nice.
Spotlight.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, it looks like reading lights for each person.
That's cool.
That's cool. Yeah. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Cool.
Look at nothing but a breeze.
Nothing but a breeze. Nice. And those put off a good amount of light.
I love the color.
It's
like
pretty
normally
good.
when you go to a hotel, I feel like the furniture
It's
is
kind of
dark.
drab.
It's
Yeah.
kind of dark and dated a lot of times. Like I really like the fresh, light interior.
Yeah. This is really great. And this is a
Okay,
king size
guess
bed.
what?
It's absolutely huge.
We got the view that I wanted. Let's talk about this.
Okay. So we got the view.
Look at this.
That wasn't
We
wanted.
have the perfect view of the Ferris wheel.
It's the Ferris wheel over there, the island.
And look at this cute little table and chairs.
Yeah. So we can go out on our balcony.
How fun is that?
It's locked, so that's a good thing.
Oh, don't lock us in. Or out.
Yeah, for real. And we're only on the 2nd floor, so we're
Literally,
not super high up.
It's like, if there was an emergency, we could literally slide down the roof and we would probably be fine.
Oh yeah.
Like, it's really not
Nice.
that high.
Just land in those bushes
Or we
over
could
there.
just jump in the pool, I mean.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Can we get back in? It does open.
Let's go.
So we've got a coffee maker here.
Did you
and
turn
a
it
little
on
ice bucket.
or is that automatically on?
It's automatically on.
Okay.
We'll see if there's a way to turn it off. I didn't notice one.
Oh, there's our blackout curtains, it looks like.
Okay, yeah, so there's blackouts under there. Yeah, okay, good. We might want those.
Yeah.
Typical AC units. Yeah, it's an interesting design. Sort of a rounded half-moon ottoman. She likes it.
Oh! Do you ever see the
Good.
clock that tells the time on the side as well?
Oh, yeah, that is handy, isn't it?
Yes!
Yeah, that is cool.
I mean, maybe I'm just out of the loop and this is a normal thing, but...
Yep, it does it on 3 sides. Nothing there. Yeah, let's see what kind of coffee they have. Breakfast blend from Green Mountain, original donut shop, that's decaf. A donut house coffee for light roast, and English breakfast from Bigelow. Cool.
And they
4
include
creamers.
I feel like usually they don't include creamers.
Yeah, it looks like 3 cups, some sugar, and equal. We've got a microwave, a mini fridge, which will come in handy. A chair, and we have a roll-out desk right here.
Huh.
Yeah, so you can actually move that wherever you want. There's a safe down here. Pretty good sized TV.
Did you see this already?
Oh, the closet. Yeah, good size. It has an ironing board and an
Where'd
iron.
that light come from? Did it automatically come from? No?
Here's our thermostat. You'll figure it out.
I think this one turns off the closet.
Nothing. Okay, that turned it off.
Okay, so these are connected.
Okay, so which one is it?
So
It's
the first one is connected to that.
Okay.
Watch.
Right?
Yep.
And then it turns the closet on as well.
Interesting.
Okay, figured it out. Alright, shall we count the USB plugs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six USB plugs.
This is hilarious because we put it on the door and it says wiped out.
Wiped out.
And it's like true.
Yeah. It certainly is true in our case.
34 hours later.
Alright, so now we're heading down to breakfast. They used to serve a buffet here, but because of the COVID, we are being served today, so we'll see how that is.
So you come in from that direction and you order over there.
Here are the options. Some of them just on certain days.
So we got the scrambled eggs, the bacon, potatoes. We got a chocolate chip muffin. We got the orange passion fruit guava juice. We got the orange passion fruit guava juice and 2 coffees. And we're excited to try it. Oyster chandeliers, great for digestion. Breakfast, satisfactory. Coffee, steamy. As a deal, it's pretty hard to beat since it's included. By the way, more often than not, instead of using the elevators, we've been going down the stairwell and up it as well. Alright, so here are our final thoughts of the room. As for the toiletries, Liz didn't use these, but I did. And so they all kind of had the same sort of scent. It was pleasant and light, kind of more on the vanilla end of the spectrum than fruity. But yeah, it was really pleasant. Concerning the shower, you pretty much have to at first crank it just about all the way, and be advised it's going to come straight out. And then the very hottest setting was kind of hotter than maybe I would like. But that also depends on when you use it. If somebody else has used it in front of you, it might not be that way so much. Somebody like this.
Yeah, it took me like probably about 30 seconds to get it to turn warm.
Yeah.
So I just like stood, I actually didn't want to freeze, so I just stood outside the shower and went like this.
Right, that's the smart way to do it. But I don't always do the smart thing. So when you arrive, they give you these lanyards with the key cards in them. And so that's pretty handy. Now, sometimes whenever I was going up to a door to try and open it and I had both cards in there, it wouldn't work for me. So you might have to take the card out and then scan it individually to get in your room or inside a door or something like that. So with the bed, it was firmer and more simple than some that we've had, and the pillows were very soft.
I thought it was comfortable.
I slept
really well.
Yeah, I didn't have any issues with it myself. But we also were pretty exhausted, so I guess it depends on what you do.
The only thing I didn't like about it was, and maybe this is just personal preference, was this is really thin. I actually like a weighted comforter on me. This is very, very thin. So I was warm. I was warm enough. I just wanted the weight.
Right. Speaking of temperature, so with these things, we couldn't figure out how to get it to adjust the temperature. You may not be able to do that. So it just has a system of cool, off, heat, auto, low, and high.
They might just have it blocked, I'm
Yeah.
assuming. Because even on the controls on this, it doesn't let you actually change it.
Yep.
So it's fine. I wonder if they've had issues with people doing weird temperatures, and so
I'm sure they have.
maybe that's why it's blocked.
The
So
kids messing
we
with
were
it, especially.
fine, honestly. We were comfortable. But
Yeah, it wasn't an issue.
Yeah.
So beyond that, I'm not sure what else to say. It was very clean and everything was in pretty good shape. Honestly, I'd say to the extent that Pop Century was.
Yeah, actually, I really loved our view.
Yeah, that's true. We did have a glorious view.
Like, this makes me so happy.
Yeah, to have a little table that we didn't use, and the view of the island. So.
Honestly, I kind of wanted to have like breakfast out here one day, but it's just,
It just didn't happen. We were only here.
But like having the Ferris wheel that close,
Yeah.
it's really neat.
Yeah. Alright, so that is our review of the Margaritaville Island Inn. We had a really great time, we enjoyed it. We appreciate you guys spending this time with us. If there are things that you would like to know, leave your questions in the comments and we'll try to get those answered as soon as we can. Thanks for spending this time with us and we'll catch you later. Alright, bye! Here's the channel guide if you'd like to know. All this cares about though is the Weather Channel. So you remember in the Pop Century video we did the tour de toothpaste?
No, we have to wait.
You guys think we should do these Yelp review style? Everything was fantastic. Oh, 1 star.